I'm Wendy Matasovich. I'm the Executive Director of Farrington Memorial, doing business as Farrington NatureLink. Our programs are really important because they give children a chance to connect to nature in a place less than 30 minutes from their home, but it feels like you're much further outside of the city.
Our work here is really important. We're connecting kids to being outside, to being stewards of this beautiful land here in Lincoln. We are exploring the trails, we're listening to the birds, we're touching and smelling the trees that are on the trails here. We're building the next generation of environmentalists.
It's a beautiful blend of programming that we wouldn't be able to do if we did not have this site. This has been our home for over 100 years, and we want to be here for 100 more.
The Rural Land Foundation has done upwards of 20 or 25 projects in which the preservation of important conservation attributes were combined and in part paid for by having some limited development. The Lincoln Woods was acquired in the late 1960s, resulting in 50 some odd acres of conservation land, 12 acres in order to build 120 units of housing, of which at the beginning something like 2/3 was affordable. That's community character. Battle Road Farm is another example of the community working together to preserve the rural character of town. Other projects include Twin Ponds and Wheeler Road, and they're all around town. You don't have to look far to see where we've saved land, houses have been built, and yet, as a whole, the community is a better place for it.